And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show my makeup, my daily makeup. Bahai ke khaya ni makeup no daily makeup nang bahai ke khaya actually. Ngayon ke ang nong tini no just funok na ani makeup daily makeup, and let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna tie my hair. Aban pore ke ang ani makeup no start khainai because makeup khai pro bukhanai rok khai gan ke I really don't like. অনেক ইরিটেট ফিল নাও সো ফার্স্ট আঙান বখানাই নো খাই পাইমা পরে মেকআপ স্টার্ট খাইনে then before putting makeup in my face I'm gonna use this one toner because tam sanai chung directly makhango foundation rakhangke maybe it affect no not maybe it will affect our skin, so that's why I'm gonna put this one toner from Plum. Awa tangol use khaijan rox hemano then cotton by use kind of first shake then use kind of I guess I'm not any makeup ni funu ya baloka, but to be honest I'm not makeup professional. Makeup doing young just any daily makeup bhai ke khai funu to light kam ke phaya ke I'm sorry tam nim ke chung nok katal shema ni ba yang all light man jeans khai jao kha ke aman bagai sa light phayang itong so forgive me for that. Apna at least 5 minutes only nai taon pore chang ani serum na apply khai nai okay done. Này ngoài là cô mà kìa 5 minutes 5 minutes after 5 minutes I'm gonna apply my serum and then moisturizer. Not toner use, not direct toner use khai with serum pa no use khai mano, or else not serum by toner use khai with direct moisturizer pa use khai mano, but directly foundation to kang skin effect khai so eso ka like boom kang ang serum disinai. Okay, I'm gonna apply my moisturizer. Moisturizer is this one. Ouch!
This one. Ouch!
Sunscreen bo angkar moisturizer bo mo kang abono both apply khai mano ambagai full makeup ru full bo so all done. Ang daily makeup si so ang abag si heavy makeup khaya tai sabak summer season nam se ke column ti phayo ke column ti phaima bai makeup joto no shtrami drang thango, that's why I'm gonna just apply little bit makeup and cause this is my daily makeup, that's why. First any foundations ang use kind of foundations ke Maybelline ni Fit Me shade number 115 and Maybelline Brain, so tabo use kind of ang kisan dark circle tongo so ang dark circle kisar nai tal ka jagam sagriya so just dark circle simmer nai angke ang apply khaibe kya makeup no. Now I'm gonna use concealer. Ani concealer pai tongkha abo Maybelline ni no shade biang jin kumaka shade ngake 10 7 no shade number ngake 10 light. Okay, so done. Tabo kya angani mokol sajuk nai mokol mane ani eyeshadow tabo creation mo khana ani agini video bo that I'm using this one nude beauty dream. So I'm gonna apply. Actually I'm kesa renayam se gaya mere khan kya me masanya. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. That's it. Okay, to be honest, Ankisha brush ni skill Korean bokorogo because ang sakano ng the makeup ring ya. So I don't have that much skill using brush. So forgive me for that if chayano khanja ni brush use khamani baksa eyeliner only brush we use rokhaidi you. Once my friends told me that I'm using that day I was using that one eyeliner ni sanai brush. They yeah use kai tongwon sama. So no kana ang sake pour. So I'm using this one, this color first. After that I apply another one. I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow. Actually I don't like heavy makeup to be honest, so I'm just that's my daily makeup, so I'm gonna apply a little bit makeup. So done my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna apply my now what, so sorry degil gaka tabo kya tam na yang nije buje my just now I said I'm poor in makeup, so I'm not gonna use my eyeliner because that's my daily makeup as I said. I'm just tam khane I'm just tapong kornai blush bang sa priya, but sometimes I put blush. Oh gosh, where I can't find blush. So let me find my blush first of all, then I will apply. Angan mana yang uji biji ke tori babe hang thong. Here's my blush. Aban ang blush bus nama eyeshadow bus namu. So aban in blush, ang pink color blush sunai. Not that much, but little bit because bele blush rekhan ke. Am se ke shidrawang. Tang was a man once upon a time mga fra oning makeup ring yata. Rinja means tabung sipan table rinja amsike rinja ngata ma ka fro ani yang afro kisah photoshoot kain thang matan dolog bai ngke amsike ang blush thikan dol ke makeup rumuta ngke angke rinja ta ngke tamang khawas na amsike blush rekha an makhango kya af je cameraman je photographer bolang masaka am tam sungin makhang sa khasa ne so Africa wang zaya do but Africa ngam ter kun wang zaya ta mane babai samran kun mane kun wang zaya but after that ani dola no je fro ani dol masa tong ta bana saka that boy male mani je jaga se photo shoot khaiwa jaga an dol male rikhata ka boss hota ta mosin min makadam sakam se ni bengari khata ete sa dola market bengai so wa je ba be sakang lai saka gang mutu mane khata oh yeah no ani photographer am diken samani tamse blush bang kha hane because I khel khai jasan dola no South Africa I really feel shy that time I guess that afuna photo tong khunani an again Instagram tong again Instagram jani hacking mani jis hemia rongge ang sai sina an agi kaisa Instagram tong man hacking ngi thanga tabuni je Instagram tong mani je no follow khai mani abu hunke katalsi 1 year ka drop su ka hunke tabuni je Instagram ka khulo mana just 1 year ka drop su so done and blush shize na in shize camera of the shize but I'm calm no actually I'm calm no because I don't like that much blushy sak and mom parents of us be like mar ka bai thanga hi an manai songam ski ka hambala and cousins rock am bagesh bari ka so done I'm gonna apply my lip tang kom na sa sirungliya ai chef tam han se mana bona gana ni henu ta ka wara full bla so na gana ni so done my makeup okay saga de sere jai wo so done what time ni now was hemi and doll super fire lipstick no was gift so I don't know our brains hemily infallible brain first time can I do so gift is gift ketabo kunke mascara rishnai then ani makeup ke mascara hanggang ke Search Beauty ni so done Kaya ang tabo ka ni parents ni reaction ay na makeup bro bahay ingza ka actually bro daily makeup no gang no kana pro sometimes sa makeup kayo and sometimes ang makeup kaya so ang tinibong no funok na ani makeup kay man yan actually na nabato let's see na sa reaction ban makeup kay man and makeup bhai khay man bhai ka sagari and makeup khay bhai ka sagari the bhai
Kata.
and makeup khay bhai ka sagari baba mane kay bhai ka sagari
Nai thong man ni ma.
nó nói cho con anh á oh my god that's my family reactions and makeup miss kilo I'm that much poor in makeup and family was saying makeup rakam swimming ya hinai to for now but ang ani level best try khai gan makeup no khai ni pagai actually ang tam sanai to for now daily makeup ba simple ke khayuan इनके नेक्स्ट टाइम हो कंके आंगनी फैमिली नो हल्का के से मेकअप के फुनुक ना लेट्स सी बोंग रिएक्शन ता मंगा फ्रो ताई दिन बगाम सुनो बाय